Got a really cool car here for you today. This is a 1975 Pontiac Trans Am. It's been upgraded from the original 400 cubic inch to a custom built 455 cubic inch Pontiac V8. It is a really strong run motor. Listen to this engine. This car is a blast to drive. When this engine was put together, it was ran on an engine dyno, and apparently it put out 440 horsepower at the crank, which does, from driving the car, it lives up to that. It is definitely will throw you in the back of your seat kind of ride. Car overall is in excellent condition. This is a factory AC car. You got your heat and AC controls here. Blower motor. Got your wipers, and don't forget it is a shaker hood, which is pretty sweet. And you even got a horn. Alright, check out this engine bay. This is a really clean, well-kept engine bay. Engine has a great sound to it at idle. Check out that decal on the hood. Looks awesome with the shaker hood behind it. So this vehicle does have powered front disc brakes. It has power steering. Honeycomb wheels with a newer set of radial TA tires. The paint overall is in excellent shape, but I would call it a very good driver quality condition of the paint. You do have some small chips that have been touched up here and there. Very nice sounding exhaust, and the engine just sounds incredible when you're behind the wheel and you give it some gas. Unfortunately, you do have a rust bubble here on the top of the fender. I'm not really sure why this happened. The rest of the car obviously shows awesome, but keep in mind there is a little bit of corrosion right there under the paint. If you're interested in this 455 cubic inch Pontiac Trans Am, definitely give us a call. This car is just a blast to drive. The ride and drive is absolutely phenomenal. The interior is very comfortable. The seats have been recently reupholstered as well. This car is turnkey, ready to be parked in your garage. Give us a call or go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.